In the factory environment, we usually will see a lot of machines and a lot of devices which we need to interconnect, and sometimes we wanted to do IoT or digitalization to collect all these data in a certain space where we can visualize all this information easily. So for example, we could have a machine with safety devices. We need to understand the safety devices status or how often are they triggered, or predictive maintenance devices where we detect issues or detection of errors happening in the devices. And also in servo system or measurement system, we detected some surge or sudden changes in the measurements. And even in the production of line where we start to do traceability, recording of codes, and we could have issue that we have a lot of increase in missed codes. Plus vision system which detect more quality defects rather than a consistent detection of the output, production output. So imagine now you want to visualize all this information, you want to do it in a very simple form. Most of the time, customer use this PC or software or even SCADA system to try to do this, but it results in a very complicated and also very non-flexible system which is very difficult to configure or make changes. Now we have the DX1 here, which allow us to easily collect all this information to one single device, and we can show all this through a dashboard system that does not need any software or programming. And you can link up all this easily in a single device called DX1.